Hello and welcome. In this video I am going to do the technical analysis of Arbitrum cryptocurrency. Arbitrum cryptocurrency can go up to 80% in next 1 to 1.5 months. To predict the futuristic price, I divided two zones of symmetry in this Arbitrum cryptocurrency. Zone 1 is the zone which already has been covered from this point to this point, that is from point O to this all-time maximum, and zone 2 is the zone which already has covered up to point E, which is similar to point 5. The futuristic price will be decided based on the previous cycle after the point E. In the zone 1, the pattern is similar to W pattern starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, where 5th point is down to 4th point. And point 1 and 3 are in the lower supportive zone, and point 0 and 4 are the upper resistance zone of this W configuration. Point 2 and 5 are at the same level. Now similarly in the zone 2 also there are a lot of similarity points. Point A and C are in the lower supporting zone. Point O and D are in the upper resistance zone. Similarly, price B is already covered and price E is almost covering. So these are the important zones from where the breakthrough start or from where the trend reversal start. So how far the price of zone 2 can go? To predict that, we will predict the zone 1's price, how far it has gone in the previous cycle. To do that, we will start with the Fibonacci retracement of point of upper resistance, which is 4th point, to the point of lower support, which is the first point of zone 1 cycle. Now Fibonacci retracement starting from here, ending up to this point. Clearly the all-time maxima of this cycle is around this purple line, which is 3.618 resistance, and after that the next cycle started. So with this symmetrical point, with this prediction that the upper resistance zone will be around 3.168 of Fibonacci retracement, we will do the same Fibonacci retracement of zone 2. Now starting from the upper resistance point and going to the lower support point, we have the purple line over here. So we'll draw a horizontal line over here. This is our next targeted price from this point to this point. It is also important to understand at which point or at what point the breakthrough start for the previous cycle, which is in the zone 1. The point number 5 is the point where the reversal of the price chart started and goes up to the all-time maxima for this cryptocurrency. Now similarly, we have already covered in the second zone cycle. Point B is similar to point 2 and point E is similar to point 5. But point E is still going on, it is not completely covered. So let us zoom in this section. So clearly the white line is the next support for upcoming bull run for Arbitrum cryptocurrency, as it was showing in the zone 1 also. Now if you are a risk taker, you can take a risk and invest over here or put your money over here in this time period. But if you are a risk adverse or you don't want to take the risk, then what you can do, you can wait slightly more. How far you need to wait? This D point resistance, if it is breaking from this point to D point resistance, if it is breaking, after that you can, it is a very strong confirmation that the next run will be bull run, and it can go up to the white line, which is over here. Now how far it can go from today's price? From today's price it can go up to 80%, 81%. So it is showing 81%, so we are roughly saying it can go up to 80%. As we are also saying it can go up to 80%, so as you can clearly see, it is going up to 80%. From resistance price it can go up to 69% or maybe 70%. So now this is the price prediction for a Arbitrum cryptocurrency based on zone 1 and repetition of zone 2. If it exhibits the same repetition, you can earn up to 80%. This is Cryptosarthi to reduce risk. Thanks for watching.